Ever wonder why robots aren't all around us? Where are the humanoid robots to assist us with doing laundry, cleaning our home, making our meals, and running errands so that humans can focus more on things we would like to do? One reason is cost. To design and build a bipedal humanoid robot is very expensive, and no one has found a way to mass-produce a robot that is safe, affordable, and reliable. Another issue is related to energy. Humanoid robots use large amounts of energy to perform the most basic of tasks, and we don't yet have the battery technology to power one long enough to operate for several hours before recharging. Other forms of energy such as fuel cells are still too expensive, and we can't have a robot walking around doing chores while plugged into an outlet. For all the advances we have made with humanoid robots, the dawn of robotics is really just beginning, and there is plenty of opportunity for those who are willing to take the leap to usher in a better future for both humans and machines. Enroll in the robotics program at El Camino College today. No previous experience required. www.elcamino.edu